Hello students, welcome to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading notes related to ICSE Class 6 Geography. Today in this video, we are going to see Class 6 Geography Chapter 3 Water Bodies. Come on, let us continue with our studies. This is the part 1 of this video series. Here, the notes are given in the form of definitions instead of question and answers. Now let us learn these. Number 1, hydrosphere. What is meant by hydrosphere? The part of the Earth's surface that is covered with water is called hydrosphere. Number 2, oceans. What is meant by oceans? The large water bodies are called oceans. Third one, 4 major oceans. What are 4 major oceans? The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Number 4, there is another large water body around Antarctica. It is called the Southern Ocean. Fifth one, Pacific Ocean. Here, in this side heading, we are going to learn the details about Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. It is bounded by Asia and Australia in the west and by North America and South America in the east. The Challenger Deep, located in the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean, is the deepest point in the world. About 3/4 of the world's active volcanoes are in the Pacific Ocean and the lands bordering it. Sixth one, Atlantic Ocean. Here we are going to learn in detail about Atlantic Ocean. First point, the Atlantic Ocean probably got its name from the legendary island of Atlantis. There existed an island called Atlantis. So, the ocean, Atlantic Ocean, might have got its name from this island, Atlantis. It is bounded by North America and South America in the west and by Europe and Africa in the east. Its shape resembles the letter S. When we have a closer look at the map, we might see the Atlantic Ocean. Its shape resembles the English alphabet S. Next comes Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean in the world which is named after a country, that is India. It is completely bounded on the north by Asia. It is also referred to as half an ocean. Next one is Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is more or less surrounded by land. It is centered around the North Pole and lies within the Arctic Circle. It is surrounded by the northern parts of Europe, Asia, and North America. It is connected to the Pacific Ocean by the Bering Strait. Drifting icebergs are common in the Arctic Ocean. Next comes Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean. Answer: the water body that surrounds Antarctica is called the Southern Ocean. It is also known as the Antarctic Ocean. It has no natural boundaries in the north and remains frozen in winter. Next, we are going to see importance of oceans. Answer: they are the main source of moisture in the atmosphere. They modify the temperature of the coastal areas. They are storehouse of minerals and various chemicals. They have a vast reserve of fish and other edible marine life. They provide a free highway for travel and trade. They possess enormous energy in the form of tidal waves. The freshwater shortage can be solved by desalinating the ocean water. It means we can convert the sea water, the salty water, into potable water, drinking water, by means of desalination. They provide natural links between the continents. They provide a bulk of the common salt. So with this video has come to an end. Let us continue with our studies in the next video.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.